Wala pa. Jump ball. Bola sa the boss. San Diego. To Ian. Attempt to 3. No luck. Rebound Kine. Kine ngayon naghahanap ng kapasahan. Attempt to shot. No luck. Rebound San Diego. To Avila. Yes, goal for 2 for Avila. Number 25. Nagsiset ngayon sa laro. To number 4. Blocking foul number 25. Outside bound, number 4. So, number 20. Nagsisit ngayon ng laro ang number 20. Almost intercept. Number 14. Shot na. San Diego, number 17. Good for 2. Number 14 to number 20. May tawag yung referee. Foul. Ian. Number 16. One personal foul Ian. And one. Ang score. 4-0. No good. Last free throw, number 4. Yes, good for 1 point, number 4. Number 17. Pass to number 9. Naghanap ng kapasahan, back to number 17. Harap number 4. Attempt to shot. Yes, good for 2, number 17. Number 25 ngayon, naghanap ng kapasahan. Last touch, number 25. Bola pa rin sa Kiwi. Shot clock, 13 seconds. Yes, good for 2, number 24. Number 9. Number 22. Number 17. Attempt to shot. No good. Ida pa ngayon sa number 20. So number 14. Attempt to shot. Yes. Good for 2. Number 14. Ronnie Mopas. Ang score 5-6. Laman ng Kiwi team. Number 22. Number 16, attempt to shot. No good. Rebound number 4. Long pass to number 25. Number 25, attempt to shot. No good. Same balls. Bola pa rin sa Kiwi. Number 20. Number 20, pass to intercept. Long pass to number 9. Last touch, the boss. Bola sa Kiwi. Remaining time, 7 minutes and 38 seconds. Number 14. Attempt to shot to 3 points. No. Rebound number 25. Pass to foul number 16. 2 personal foul and 24 to 25. Back to number 24. 3 team fouls charged by the Bulls. 1. Number 25, number 9, yes, good for to number 9. Easy layup for number 9. Number 25, binaba ngayon niyang bola. Number 24. Rebound number 25, long pass to number 17. Number 17, good for Toy. Yes. Number 4. Number 25. Yes, good for to number 25. Number 24. Long pass to number 20. Naghahanap ng kapasahan. Attempt to shot. Yes, good for to number 4. Number 22. Ang score, 7-12. Lamang pa rin yung the Bulls. At Kiwi team. Number 16. Attempt to shot. No good. Rebound by number 24. So number 25. Travel number 20. Substitution. Sub. Number 24. 19. Number 9. Yes, good for to number 25, Avila. Easily up.
Naghapon na lang ini.
Number 14. Number 20. Number 4. To number 14. Liam. No. Rebound number 4. You have a whistle. Foul on number 17. Timeout charge to Kiwi team. First timeout for Kiwi team. 14 fouls sa the Bulls.
Tulak.
Two free throws. First shot, no good. Okay, last shot. Last shot, good. Abla, may out ng bola. Pingong, may hawak ng bola, Pingong. Pinasa ulit. Tumira ng tres. Wala. Rebound. Put back.
Balik na natin. Play!
Last one, free throw.
Ready!
Oh, rebound. Naghahanap ng bola, tinakbo. Naghahanap ng papasahan, pinasa, drive, foul.
Nahihirapan yung bibig ko sa kakapit. Hindi ko alam ano sasabihin.
The boss ball. D-boss. Kiwi with the ball. Running down the court. Number 14. Pasa to number 4. Wala. Ala. Interference sa referee. Wala. D-boss with the ball. Layup. Good. Number 20, Pasa. Number 14 with the ball. Pasa to number 19. 4-3. Not good. Oh. Number 4. Number 9 with the ball. 4-2. Good. Carry by MZQE. Backcourt violation. D-boss's ball. 19. Pasa to number 25. 25 with the attack. Good. Number 4. Number 4, Pasa. D-bosses. Fast break, Pasa to number 4. Layup. Good. Number 24, pass number 14. Number 25 attack. Pass out to number 24. Back to number 14. Attack. Number 20. D-boss with the steal. Pass break. Number 4 with the ball. Aye. Number 24 with the ball. Good passes. Number 25. Number 25. Number 25. Pasa. Number 24. Good. Number 12 with the ball. Pass. Number 22. Number 25 with the steal. Pass to number 4. 15. 19. Number 25. Pass to number 14. With the 3. D-boss's ball. Number 22 dribbling down the court. Attack. I am one. Number 17.
Who's foul that?
Air ball. The 14, dribbling down the court. Pass to number 25. Number 25 attacks. Fast break. Number 17 with the layup. Good. Number 25. Air ball. Number 22, pass. Number 4, good. Gets stealing. D-Boss. Number 22 with the ball. He attacks. Floater. Good. 2 points. to 24. He attacks. Gets blocked by number 16. Third personal foul, Ian. .24 with the free throw.
Lakad lang. Isip pa.
Nice. Number 17. He attacks. You know his stat. Not good. Pass to number 19. Number 4. Number 16. Lay. Number 16 with the point. Number 25. Pass. Number 24. 24 shoots. Not good. D-Boss with the ball. Fast. With the lay. Good. Number 25.
Reserve timeout from Kiwi.
Oh yeah. Pass. Number 20. Steals from D-Boss. Fast break. Number 4 with the lay. Not good. Number 17 with the rebound. He shoots. Number 4, foul. Number 4 with the free throw. He shoots and he scores. One shot, Papa now. Not good. Number 4 with the ball. Screen both sides. Screen both sides. D-Boss. Fast break. Not good. He loses the ball. Number 25. Number 25. Number 25. He attacks. He passes. Number 20. Number 20 with the ball. Pass to number 24. Number 20. Shoot. Not good. Number 24. Good. 2 points for the NZ. Bayot the ice. Number 25 with the ball. Blocked. Blocked by number 4. Number 24 passes to number 4. Shoot. Air ball. Number 20. Number 20. Number 16. Ian!
Ay, that's my tomboy.
Good boy! Good boy! Number 24. Pass to number 25. 4-3! Not good. 22 with the ball. Pass. With the Pinoy step. Not good. 24 with the ball. Pass to number 20. (24) with it. 2. Back. Hey. Number 22. Pass to number 17. Number 17 with the ball. Pass to number. Ay. Let this happen. Number 4. Shoots. Break. Number 22 with the rebound. D-Boss. 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 Dribbling down the court. He attacks. Pass. But he passes to the opposing team. Number 17 with the ball. Hey. 2 points for D-Boss. I don't know what these guys are doing. 24. Pass to number 19. 4-3. Air ball. Number 16 with the rebound. Alright. Pass to number 24. 24 to 20. Number 4. With the... Okay. Good. Ian dribbling down the court. Mr. Ian. Mr. Foggy. Ay! Delays! Mr. Foggy in shining armor, dribbling down the court. Ang pogi ni number 16. Tomboy. With the 3. Number 4. Pass up to number Tomboy. Mr. Tomboy. Ay, out.
Number 19.
Foul, number 19.
Tingang malalim.
Number 16, pass to number 19 to number 17. Number 17 dribbles in. Number 4. Number 4 with the ball. Pass. He shoots. Number 17. Foul and 1. 2 points for D-Boss. D-Bossing. 14 fouls for Kiwi.
Counted. Counted.
Wala.
Tingang malalim naman pala pag nakaupo na. Tingang malalim.
Number 7 to number 4. Attempt to shoot. No good. Big rebound. Number 22. Nagmamadali yung number 22. Pass to number 17. May tawag yung referee. Foul number 4. Outside bounce, number 19. To number 17. Attempt to shoot. No good. Rebound number 14. To number 24. 24 now. Number 7. No good. Rebound number 17. Long pass to number 9. Yes. Good for to number 9. Outside bounce, number 7 to number 4. Ako ngayon ang commentator ngayon dito sa basketball. Number 4 to number 7. Attempt to shot. No good. Rebound number 17. Long pass to number 9. Easy layup. Yes, good for 2. Number 9. Outside bounce, number 8 to number 7. Number 24 from the rainbow. No good. Number 14 short. Number 4 follow up. Yes, good for 2. Number 4. Ang score na 20-50. Mababalang yung lamang. Abela. Naghahanap ng kapasahan. Number 25 to number 19. 17. Eurostep. No good. Rebound number 17 again. Number 9. From the rainbow, yes! Number 9, 3 points! Number 24, siyang buwaba ngayon. Number 24, from the rainbow, no good.
Ayan. Easy lang.
Bola sa Kiwi, sa white. Bola sa the boss. Number 22 to 17. Attempt to shot. No good. 17.
Challenge!
Number 9 from the rainbow. Again. No good. Bola sa Kiwi team. Referee decision.
Ikot!
Number 7. Pass number 9. Number 7.
Time out.
Will trouble number 7.
Time out pag possession namin.
The serve time of Kiwi team. Outside bound. Number 22.
Check nyo yung tres! Check nyo yung tres!
Number 9 nga ngayon. So number 25. From the
Ball!
number 4 now to number 7. Slowly but surely. Number 14. Naghahanap ng kapasahan ngayon. Video traffic. To number 8. From the rainbow. No good. Rebound number 4. Yes, good for to number 4. Outside bounds 19. Serna. Long pass to 17. Easily up. Yes, good for to number 17.
Time out.
Number 8. Siya ang bumaba ngayon sa bola. Naghahanap ng kapasahan. Number 8. Attempt to shot. No good. Rebound number 19. 25. Number 22. Easily up. No good. Number 8. Big rebound. Long pass number 4. Number 4. Intercept number 19 to 17.
Oy, tres!
Number 17
Dalawa kayo dyan, oh!
is a foul. Timeout charge to Kiwi team. Ang istak natin yan. Outside bounds number 19. 22 to number 9. Number 9 ngayon, nagsisit up ng laro nila. May whistle ang referee. 3 seconds violation charge to number 19. Bola ngayon sa Kiwi team. Outside bounds, number 4. Number 25. Naghahanap ng kapasahan, medyo traffic. Ito, number 8. Intercept number 9. Number 9. To number 16. Nabawis. Offensive foul number 16, Ian. Fourth personal foul by Ian. And warning for God vision for Ian. Number 25. Long pass, number 9. Easily up. No good. Big rebound, number 25. Intercept, number 25 again. Good for 2. Number 25, the Bulls. Outside bounds, number 25, Kiwi team. Number 14. Siyang bumaba ngayon. Number 14. Number 4. It's a traffic. No good. Big rebound, number 16. Number 16 ngayon. Back to number 25. To number 9. Number 4. Number 4. Easily up. Yes, good for to number 4. Brought to you by 3 Hills Store. Makikita sa Turua. Number 25. 25. Isa last touch, number 70, number 7. Bola pa rin sa The Boss. Number 25. 6. Number 4. Remaining time 1 minute and 44 seconds. Yes, good for 2. Number 4. Outside bounds, number 9 to number 19. Number 4 now. To 25. Number 25. Easily up. The 11 legend of Kiwi team. Number 4 follow up. No good. Number 22. Eurostep. Yes, good for 2 for number 22. Outside bounds, number 8 to number 17. 7. Remaining time 1 minute and 7 seconds. No good. Big rebound, number 16. Long pass to number 22. Attempt to shot. No good. Big rebound, number 25. Yes! Good for 2 for number 22. 48 seconds remaining. 44. Number 8. 40 seconds. 14 shot clock remaining. Number 8 to number 7. Yes, good for to number 7. 30 seconds. 29 seconds. Number 25. It's a traffic. How about whistle? Foul on number 7. 2 free throw. A remaining time 10 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. 1 free throw, 1 free throw. One more free throw. Wala nang oras ha, sa third quarter. May isang free throw pa na iwan. No good. Score sa third quarter.
Ano? Uy, ready na.
Outside bounds. Number 4. Number 17. Easily up. Follow up to number 16. Yes, good for 2. Number 16, Ian. Outside bounds. Number 20. May whistle. Ang referee. Stepping on the line. Number 20. Bola ngayon sa The Bulls. Outside bounds. Number 4. Number 17. 25 ngayon. Number 25, the flying eel, the boss. Number 25. Long pass to number 4. From the rainbow, no good. Big rebound, number 7. Number 7 ngayon, medyo relax ang number 7. From the rainbow, shot, number 14, more pass. Yes, good for 2 more pass. Number 16. Number 25. Number 7. 20 ngayon. Number 20. To number 4, yes, good for 2. Number 4. Number 22. Siya ang nagbaba ngayon sa bola, number 22. To 25, Avila. Number 17, San Diego. Eurostep, yes, good for 2. Easy layup. Number 4, outside bounds. To number 14, to number 25. Jordan, number 25. A blind pass to number 20. Number 4, no good. To number 25. It's a tropic, number 4. Big rebound, number 20. Good. Long pass to number 17. Easy layup. Yes, good for 2. San Diego, number 17. Outside bounds, 25. To number 4. Remaining time, 7 minutes. No good, follow-up number 14. Big rebound, number 16. Ian. Number 16. Easy layup. No good. Number 4. Yes, good for 2. Number 4. Fajardo. Yan ang kapatid ni Jumar Fajardo. Bunsong kapatid ni Fajardo. 25. Flying in. Yes, good for 2. Number 25. That's a flying in from the Kiwi team. 25 to number 17. It's a tropic. Number 17 to number 24 from the rainbow. So, number 22, 3 points brought to you by 3 years. Sorry, it's only 2. 2 points. 2 points. Sorry. Yes. Petro, number 25. First, Petro. Yes, good for 1 point. Number 25. Final Petro. Sino yung foul kanina, Red? Red. Pe, sino yung foul kanina, Pe? Tables time out. 25. Okay. Outside bounds, number 17. Number 22. Short. Number 7, a big rebound. Number 7, Kapishing. Yan si Kapishing Vlogs. Follow lang kayo sa vlog ni Kapishing. Number 22. Number 22. 25! Yes! Good for 2. 25. Outside bound, number 4 to number 24. Habang may buhay, may pag-asa, Kiwi team. Number 25. From the rainbow. No. Whistle. Last touch by Black. Last touch yung black jersey from the rainbow. No good. Low pass to number 17. Easy layup. Yes, number 17, San Diego, good for 2. Number 14, long pass to number 4 from the rainbow. Yes. Avila. Number 17, easy layup. Timeout charge to Kiwi team. Ilang time out na?
Magulang na yan.
Time out pa kayo, Kiwi team.
Bibigay na.
Outside bounds, number 4 to number 24, number 7. Number 7, naghahanap ng kapasahan. Nahihirapan, number 24. Number 20 from the rainbow model. Figure out number 16, Ian. Number 16. My whistle. Offensive foul. Ian, it's a graduation foul. Yes, Ian. Ian. Graduation foul for Ian. Personal foul. Substitution. Ian. Automatic.
Kabula.
Outside bound, number 20 to number 4. 20. Number 17, San Diego. Slice in the well, yes, good for 2. San Diego. Number 17. Outside bounds, 14. 20 back to number 14. So number 4, easily up, no good. Bigger ball, number 25. Number 25 to number 9, easily up, no good. Rebound again, number 25. Yes, good for 2. Number 25. 40. Living Legends, Kiwi team, number 14. Long pass to number 24. Back to 14. From the rainbow, active. Shot. Bola sa the boss. 17. Last 2 minutes. 25. From the rainbow. No. Long pass number 24. Bola sa black jersey. Outside bounds number 9. From the rainbow, number 9, no good. Long pass to number 7. Bola sa the balls. Remaining time 1 minute and 21 seconds in the last final quarter. 17. Ngayon. Kinausap niya ang number 22 pero hindi sumagot. Kaya pinasa niya sa number 22. Yun. Hindi lang. Rebound number 20. Long pass to number 7. 7. Pero ang isip niya, snapper pa rin. From the window shot. 52 seconds. 48 seconds remaining time in the fourth quarter. Oras, hindi tumakbo. 47. From the rainbow, no good. Rebound number 7. 36 seconds. Fishing. From the rainbow, no good. Short. 57 seconds. Fishing 3 points. Brought to you by Fishing Vlogs. Follow and share lang kayo sa Fishing Vlog. 40 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,